Okay, hey, we're back and I'm doing decluttering day 4. And today I have a wonderful helper at the camera, my son JD. And thank you, JD, for doing this. JD stayed home from school today because he's getting over an illness. So it was the perfect opportunity to make day 4 be about decluttering one kid's closet. And when the kids are little, you don't even need your kids around for this. You can do it without them. But when your kids get older, like JD is 10, it's helpful to have them with you. So had him with me and I could go through, I went through every single item hanging in this closet, didn't I, JD? Mm-hmm. And each one I said, do you want to keep this or not? You know, is this too small? Does this work? Is this itchy? And we got rid of everything that he doesn't want. We put it all in and it filled up an entire paper bag. So excited about that. I took the paper bag straight to my minivan and feeling really good about that. So here's his closet now, and I've put it in sections for him. He has 2 items that are still a little bit too big, so we put those in the back, and we're just saving those for when he grows into them. And then I have this section, which is his actual t-shirts that he wears all the time. This is his long sleeve shirts. And then in the back here, I have his little section of nice church and dress-up shirts. And then I have his coat and snow clothes in the backpack. So it's organized and it's thinned out. In fact, he has mad serious space left over, so that's very exciting. And now I know what I need to buy him to get him through the rest of the winter. Which it turns out what he needs is more sweatshirts, right, John David?
Long sleeve
Sweatshirts, yes. So get him some more of those, and he should be good to go, right, JD?
Yep.
Yeah. So next, I may go through his drawers if I have extra time, or I may save that for tomorrow's decluttering task. We'll see. So I hope you guys get a kid's closet decluttered today for day 4. And if you don't have any kids, then work on your own closet. All right, everybody, have a happy decluttering day.